Guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to make slime, DIY slime. Yes, it's a 2-in-1 video. I got this slime. I'm gonna teach you how to make now, and the other slime which I'm gonna show you later after I do this slime. Enough of this chatting. Let's get on to the video. First of all, you will need Lifebuoy, glue, contact lens solution, something to mix with, something to mix in a bowl or anything you have at home. First of all, you just pour in the glue. It will, okay, just not gonna waste glue because I'll have to make the other slime later. Then you will need to add the, wait, first before you add the Lifebuoy, please stir the glue first so that it will not be very thick when you take it out, when you like add the Lifebuoy. So after that, you will just add the Lifebuoy. Yes, a beautiful color. Okay, now you just stir it. It will looks very watery. Hopefully it won't drop, but it looks so watery. Can't see anyways. Here, how does it look like? It's very watery. Just keep on stirring it. Get the thing to stick. So you if it's watery, then you add glue, just a little bit. Then you just add the contact lens water, and you stir. Okay, count from 3 to 1, and I will take out the slime. Just hold on a second now. Okay. You will be very surprised that you can actually make slime with Lifebuoy if you don't know. So you count ready. So 3, 2, 1. Marvelous slime. Marvelous. Just look at this slime. Isn't it so beautiful? If you love slime and you keep on trying ingredients that you watch on YouTube and it didn't work like me, you should try using this ingredient. It will work. I promise you, it will work. So here's the difference. This is darker. This is like done. So mixing. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna like put it together to make the slime bigger. Then I'm going to teach you how to make the other slime, which I will show you now.
So this is the other slime. It's really different from this slime. And this slime is just very easy to make. All you need, you don't need Lifebuoy now, because if you need Lifebuoy, it will be glue. So yeah, now we're just adding the glue in. You can actually make it in the... I'm gonna make it inside now. I just realized something. There's slime in my contact lens water. I don't know how. But there is. Okay, I'm wasting water. But anyways, you just add that and pour it out. I think I don't want to smell. Here it is. It's very small. It's transparent, but if you add like big bubble. Now you just add the glue already, and you add the contact lens water. Okay, then you stir. If you want it transparent, you can just add the glue and the contact lens water. But if you want it like glue, for this it's because the one. Okay, I just don't know how to explain it, but So this video. It's very messy on my table right now. But I hope you enjoy making slime with me. If it works for you, make sure to give this big slime, because I will never do a slime with borax. I'm not sure. Maybe, maybe not. But this slime is super big. Okay. If you're like me, you tried many slime, and this is the final time you got a slime, you're gonna be so impressed about this slime. But it's the end of the video, so I just have to clean this mess on the table, and maybe I'll do another video. So see you guys next week. Bye.